tenderism. When a Haitian chef contacts you and tells you he has a Haitian soul food fusion restaurant where the food is cooked under an open flame, there's only two things to do. Leave the house and complete the mission. Started off with that black rice, honey garlic roasted chicken and collard greens.
Hey! Jesus is Lord!
Flame on Bergen Street in Brooklyn has spectacular food. The roasted honey garlic chicken oils all over that black rice and collard greens. 3-punch
combination.
This food had soul and comfort. And look at this godsend, my own platter that I got to personally design. Surf and turf braved the wave. That jerk steak with a shrimp, mashed potato and mac and cheese. Shrimp first, of course.
Can we please have a moment of silence?
Far from rubbery and overcooked, full of flavor, and this is top 5 mac and cheeses I've ever had in my life. Mashed potato buttery with a perfect garlic kick, and that steak, sensational sophisticated seasoning.
Sassy platinum style.
Cosmic, calculated culinary charisma. You guys need to experience this too, so I negotiated with the chef for you to get my personalized platter all week for $24.99. That's 30% off. And just wait until you taste their Douce Colada and dragon fruit frozen drinks. You will thank me later, mate. 160 out of 10. London East America. I'll see you on the next one.